this is Selena Krause for Trinity Stamps, and we're taking a closer look at the layered rainbow 6x9 stencil set that's part of the Autumn Impressions release. So, let's take a closer look. Here is the stencil. It's a set of 2 stencils. They measure 6x9. They're laser cut and laser etched. The rainbow is etched on every layer to allow for perfect alignment. We have 6 arches to create that rainbow. And also we have 2 clouds. The smallest arc is about 2 by 1 inches in size, and the largest one, or the entire size of the rainbow, is about 5 by 2.5. Also, this stencil set coordinates with the Autumn Rainbow stamp set. Also in the stencil set included are masks or the negative for all the arches, and the clouds. So we have 6 layers for the rainbow, and we have 2 clouds. So here I stenciled the rainbow onto A2 piece of white cardstock, and on another piece I have the clouds so you can see the size for reference. Now let's take a look at a couple samples from our design team. Thank you so much for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, visit our blog and our Instagram for more ideas and inspirations. Bye!